what really caught my eye was just how fast and how visual I could take and create a takeoff, one, and two, how I could affiliate splashes, laminations, and so on with that part. Three, to be able to then create a substrate layer, very simplistically, very easy, and everything about the program is designed specifically for the stone industry, so I don't have a lot of other things that are cluttering up what it is I'm trying to accomplish. What I will say is whoever designed the software was thinking about the end user. I mean, it is so intuitive. Now, literally within a matter of 2 hours of training, we had everything we needed. And I could only imagine in Bluebeam, there were too many times when changes occur, which is probably 3 out of 4 jobs, that when you go to execute those changes, you're starting over in your Bluebeam. You're starting over in whatever system that you are historically been using. And so now we have the ability to make those changes very quickly, easily, and blow it all the way through updated CADs, updated slab optimizing, updated shop drawings, and do it effortlessly. That can run you into trouble if you're on another program, because it's a lot of work. But know that with MeasureSquare, I can go in and, for instance, did a layout the other day and needed X amount of slabs, and then value engineered it by going in and creating another version, changing seaming location, and getting a much better yield on the material, and pass most of those savings on to the client in terms of a value engineer. So that in itself has allowed us to be regarded differently in the eyes of the folks that we do work for. We're viewed as a partner. And now what I'm also realizing is I'm able to get a higher close ratio, produce more, and do it at significantly less money.